What's up everybody, Dan here from TechFit360 and I'm back with another video. Today on the channel, I will be reviewing the Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone. But first, I need you to do me a favor. If you're not a part of the TechFit360 family, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you, and now, let's go learn things. First off, I'd like to thank Tonor for sending this microphone out to me for review. This mic sells for close to 40 bucks on Amazon with a 4.5 star rating, so I'm really looking forward to hearing the sound quality that this mic produces. For all my personal voiceover recordings, I use the Blue Yeti Pro, and later in the video, there's going to be a showdown between the Blue Yeti Pro and the Tonor TC-777. Included in the box is a Tonor instruction manual, a service card, a black pop filter, and the TC-777 with its own USB 3-foot cable and with a foldable microphone stand. Wow, that's pretty cool. Also, a shock mount which can be unscrewed and attached to a 5/8 threaded boom stand. Basically, when you take this mic out of the box, all you need to do is unfold the legs and attach the pop filter. Or you can just use the additional filter that's already attached to the condenser mic. Or not. The microphone can be rotated at 180 degrees, and it is also compatible with your PS4, but not your Xbox. Since it's a plug-and-play device, just plug your device into your computer using one of your free USB ports, and your operating system will do the rest. In a Mac OS environment, go to System Preferences and Sound, and the microphone will be listed under the Input tab. Just choose it as your sound input. In the Windows 10 environment, open Sound Settings and choose it as your input device. Now, the best way I know how to review a mic is to let you hear and judge for yourself. So with that being said, let's have a showdown. Since this mic uses a cardioid polar pattern, which basically picks up sound from the front and not on the sides, I'll set my Blue Yeti pattern the same. Both mics will be the same amount of distance from my mouth, so let's check it out. Hey, what is up everybody? Dan here from TechFit360 and I am back with another video. Today on the channel I will be reviewing the Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone. What's up everybody? Dan here from TechFit360 and I'm back with another video. Today on the channel I will be reviewing the Tonor TC-777 USB condenser microphone. Now, I want to know your thoughts on this microphone. I was definitely impressed with the sound quality. I think it's a good starter microphone for a podcast or even making YouTube videos. And plus, everything you need is in the box. When I purchased my Blue Yeti Pro, all I got was the mic and the stand. I don't even believe I received a thank you card. A $39.99 microphone plus a 2-year warranty sounds like a great deal to me. The only negative thing I can say is that I wish it had a mute button on the mic, but other than that, I think it's an excellent budget-friendly microphone, and I am definitely giving it the TechFit360 thumbs up. I'll leave my affiliate links in the description in case you are interested in picking up one for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my very next video.